Hello and welcome to another episode of The Average EV. Today I'm going to show you how to set up universal remotes on the Chevy Equinox EV. Let's get into it. Okay everyone, some people have asked, how do you set up a garage door opener on the Chevy Equinox EV? And this video is for you. It's relatively simple. The infotainment gives all the directions to help out, but what I'll do is I'll walk through the process with you all so you can see how it works, and then we'll call it a video. So I'm going to turn the camera around and let's install this garage door opener. Okay everyone, so if you want to set up a universal remote, you click controls, you can click it here. If you have it here, or if you have it here, you can click all those. I'll click here, see more controls, universal remotes, and then add remote. So there we go. You can add up to 8 remotes for garage doors, home control systems, etc. Get your remote, make sure it has fresh batteries, and park outside your garage. There we are, I'm parked outside my garage. Add remote. Do you have handheld transmitter? Yes, I do. If not, you can do these other 2 options. I'm not really familiar with them, but I'll click on them if you want to look at them. So if your opener's from Summer or other brand that uses D mode, and then UR mode. But I have a handheld transmitter, so yes I do. Click yes. Searching for a signal. Press and hold the button of your transmitter while it's near your rear view mirror. So I'm gonna go ahead and you can see a little camera reception. Press and hold that. Searching for a signal. You can see my garage door's opening. Signal found. Wait for your garage door to stop moving and then select test. So my garage door is opening right now. Gonna wait for that to finish. It just completed. Now I'm gonna go ahead and press test. Nothing happened. Gonna go ahead and press test again. Test. It didn't work. Test. Test. Oh, there we go. So that was kind of weird. It was a little bit delayed, but it did work. So it worked. And there you go. So kind of simple, kind of weird because it didn't work right away. But hey, now it works. So if you want to click here, this will open my garage door. There it is. You can also find it under this little control panel. If you click this arrow, it'll pop up here under remote 1, and I can go ahead and I'm going to press one more time to close the garage door. And there it goes and closed. So pretty easy. Obviously there's a little fluke there, but now you know if you have that same fluke, just I guess keep pressing test until it works. If not, maybe exit out of it, delete that remote, and then try again. All right, everybody, so that is how you install a universal remote, like a garage door opener for the Chevy Equinox EV. You saw that I came along a little bit of trouble, but I just kind of kept pressing test, and then it eventually worked. I'm not sure why it was that way. I do recall when I had set it up for the first time, because I uninstalled it and then did it for you all to demonstrate. But I remember it being a little finicky then as well. But since then, I rarely have any issues. I sometimes do have to push the button like twice to get it to register, so I'm not exactly sure why that's working. I still leave this in the car. I don't know why, but I do. It's worth noting that the mirrors can't actually keep a garage door opener very well. You kind of have to put it over the flap that hides the mirror, but that's fine. So anyways, yeah, that's it. If you have any questions, leave them down below. If you come across any trouble, you know, when in doubt, keep pressing the test button until it works. If not, you know, maybe delete it, try it again. So hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give a like, subscribe to the channel. Please follow me on all the social medias. I just started a podcast. You can follow that as well on Apple Podcasts and on Spotify. If you want it somewhere else, just let me know and I can figure it out. Other than that, hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you all next time.